this video, I'm going to show you how to change audience name in Mailchimp. So first up, let's head on to the audience tab on the left side here and click on audience, and it will drop down a menu. And let's click on all contacts to view all of our contacts, and you can see the audience name here, the audience dashboard. So for me, the audience name is Kent. So let's head on to the settings, click on settings and audience name and defaults. It will lead us to the settings, and then after that you can see the audience name over here and click on it. So let's change our name to, for example, Acme Company Newsletter. And after that, just scroll down and head on to save audience and campaign defaults. Save it and just wait for it, and there you have it. That's how you change audience name in Mailchimp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.